Make a great choice today with the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.